TV production this year really has been one of the best years, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's really
Yeah,
fun.
it really has. One of the best years ever.
Yeah, it really has. And you guys remember when I went to FSP all alone?
Yes.
Alright, so this is my impression of what I would do if somebody was trying to steal my camera. Look over there.
Remember when I helped film and edit for Python Pop and we won?
Best soda ever.
Pop, pop, Python pop. With extra fizz.
But remember when I went to STN and got first place in Feature Story? Do you guys remember all of the other announcements we've made?
Good morning, Pythons! Good morning, Pythons! Good morning, Pythons! Welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Hi Pythons! I know it's usually Lucas and Rocco here to anchor, but I can't find them anywhere and the show must go on, so...
Please, no pictures at this time, no fans. At least get my good side. Oh, hey, Mr. Menace!
Oh, hey boys, when are we gonna start practicing the script?
Script? Oh, please. Come on, we're professionals, we got this.
Okay.
And now I can't wait to go to the Python TV summer camp. Go!